Hello friends, I'm Vishwa and welcome to my channel. From this tutorial, we will gonna start a series of tutorial in which we will gonna learn a backend Django framework which is built on top of Python. With the help of Django, we could develop a huge and complex web applications backend. So without any further delay, let's get started with its introductions. So go to Chrome and type Python install. And you can see a first website link. Just click on it and just wait for a few seconds. As you can see, just click on download Python. You will see a latest version. Just download it. As I had already downloaded, so let me cancel it. Now let's close the Chrome and open CMD to check whether our Python is installed or not. To check it, just press Window R and type CMD, press enter. Now our command prompt would be open. Just wait for a few seconds. So let's check whether our Python is installed or not. To check, we have to type Python version, and as you can see, I have installed Python 3.9.1 in my operating system. So let's install Django. To install it, we have to type pip install Django. Okay, now just click enter. As I had already installed my Django, so you can install it. Let's check whether our Django is installed or not. To check, we have to type Django admin manage version and press enter. As you can see, I had already installed my Django of 4.0, so there's no so let's get started with our first project of Django. Type cd and let me go to desktop. To create our first project, let's put let's to create our first project, let's type Django admin start project and let the project name be as SSC. Press enter. As you can see over here, our folder is already created. Let's go in it. As you can see, our Django inbuilt files are already created. So without any further delay, let's start our server. To go to our project, just type cd for current directory and /swishi. Press enter. Now to run the server, we have to type python manage.py run server. Just press enter. It will launch your local server on your device. Just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, here you will get a server location. Local server path. Just copy it and paste it in your browser and you will see the changes. So let's do it. Let's open Chrome. Chrome is opening. Just paste the path you had copied from the command line and press enter. It would locally start your website in your browser. So as you can see, here is our application, our Django first demo application. In our next video, we were gonna add few text in our Django web application, this web page. So let's wait for our next video, and thank you for joining our video.